Excuse me, mister, are you Raif Sharma by any chance? Yes, I am. But I'm sorry, I didn't recognize you. I am Akash Sinha, your classmate. Oh yes. Of course, it is Akash. What a pleasant surprise. I am really sorry for not having recognized you. But you have changed too much. You have changed too, but didn't I recognize you? Anyway, how have you been? What are you doing presently? I am working as a software engineer. Software engineer? But I thought you wanted to become a doctor. Things change, my friend. Weren't you also supposed to shift to Madhya Pradesh after school? Well, we did, but only for a couple of years. My father was sent on an assignment to Delhi, so I undertook my college education in Delhi. Wow! All that travel must have been quite an experience. And what are you doing presently? I too am in software industry. I am team leader. Anyway, now that we have met and are working in the same industry, how about industry getting together to start our own venture? That's a wonderful idea. Let's think it over and see if we can work things out. Anyway, so nice to have met you. Same here. Let's meet more often. Bye and take care. Bye, bye. Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found a good channel for study.
Great, like the video, share it to your school friends, subscribe to it, but what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.